Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. This channel will share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate the support. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So the name of today's platform is Alison, and this is how the website looks like. So here it says in money by empowering millions. So in Alison, the 3 ways of making money. There's an affiliate program. There is a refer friends, and you can also teach on Alison. So Alison is basically an educational platform. So it's where you can upskill yourself, or you want to study further, you can do short courses on Alison. So here it says you are to empower your friends and family by sharing a free quality education. So you are going to refer your friends and also use social media network to Alison, and while doing that you'll be earning some free cash, so you'll be getting rewards. So you can also teach on Alison and earn money. If you're an expert in any subject, or you are a skilled professional who wants to create and publish online course, then you can come to Alison and share your knowledge with the global and earn income through the shared revenue offering. And there's some people that don't like to teach but create courses, so you can create a course and become a course creator on Alison. You will also earn money by doing that, and that you can give it to someone to teach on your behalf, but all you do is you solely create courses. Joining the Alison affiliate program is not difficult. So to get started, you'll have to join the Alison affiliate program and generate affiliate link. Then with your link, you'll share to people, and others. You can share your link on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then you receive 20% revenue generated by your learners you bring to Alison. The main reason you are to join the Alison affiliate program is because it's quick and free to join, and you are going to earn money and gain experience. So while doing this, you'll be gaining experience on affiliate marketing. It will also provide you with marketing toolkit to help you spread the word about Alison. So it's not going to be something that you're going to be struggling alone, but there will be giving you a helping hand on the way. So they say you are also going to get badges, so they are going to make it fun soon, because you will get badges that will help you accumulate more points. So to get started, you can become an affiliate and then start with the application program. Start with the application. And the same applies to referring your friends. So your offer is going to generate a unique link, and then you'll share with your friends and family. And then once you've done that, you will earn rewards. They're promising to give you 50% discount on digital certificate and diplomas. Your friends get a 10% discount on the first purchase. Lastly is teach on Alison, and it's divided into 3 categories. The first one is to republish your existing course. So if you have published an Alison course before, you can republish it on Alison and then get paid for that. You can also become a course creator. A course creator develop their courses on their own in their own time. So you can develop a course and then publish it on Alison. Get yourself some extra cash. And then another thing is become an assisted course creator. So you are going to you're going to build a course with the help of content assistants. So go ahead and apply, guys. And also, if this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next person. All you have to do is to click on sign up, and then you start with the program. You can either sign for being a course creator, an affiliate program, or refer a friend. Thank you so much for watching up to this far. See you in the next one. Bye.